Well, thank goodness Destiny has an air conditioner. Are you glad Destiny has an air conditioner?
Oh yeah. Probably be doing something other than sitting.
Oh boy. It is going to be, how hot today?
90 something here.
90 something. Alright, well, we are on the road. We had a visitor come and meet us down at the Walmart, and then Aja lost her little cap that goes
The oil filling
her
tube
oil
cap
thing. So that took us a little bit of time. So we were supposed to leave at 10 o'clock, and it's now, no, we were supposed to leave at
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. It's now 11 o'clock now. That's
not too bad.
That's just how we roll all the time. So Seth has to go dump his tanks at the what is it? Conoco, which is, I believe, free, but you might want to get gas there if you're going to use their dump out station. And then we're heading north, east, south, west. We're going west. So we will see you guys when we get there.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great.
All right, we're gonna go here to the Bureau of Land Management and see if they can help us find some camping up in the forest. What's that?
It says no throwing bears in the garbage can.
Okay, so we are getting ready to go into bear country. And like I said, we are at the BLM land management office. And we're going to go in here and see if they can help us.
Where'd that fit? Now it's open. Nice, man.
Yeah, so you can come in here and get brochures on the area. They got a rock collection going on. There's different rocks that you find out here, I guess.
Look at the size of that pine cone over there.
Oh, I had a pine cone at home. Just like that one. Very cool. And they have really sharp things on the tips of those. Yeah, look at all the pine cones.
Because it's funny when you say 24 feet.
It's not just a truck camper like that.
Wow, this is pretty.
Let me look up, I'm filling in at the front desk.
Oh, okay.
It's been so long, so let me see if I can.
Oh, somewhere where we can get to, somewhere nice and easy. By the river with the fishing there. No.
And then you can get maps for different areas. So it's just a good place to get good information.
No, from Washington State.
In your backyard. Oh, look at that. You can even get, a coloring book. I think I'll grab the kids a couple of those when Dana gets here. The kids will have some of these. Very cute. So she's up here helping Scotty.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, by all means, yeah.
So not just visitor centers are helpful, but even the BLM place is helpful. Okay, so we're going to have her help us and we'll get back on the road. Can you introduce yourself?
No, I'm going to get shy.
You don't have to be shy.
So, we're in Canyon City.
Okay.
So north of town, there's some BLM up here. It's gonna be hot. Where are you coming from?
Oh, we
just
came from
in-
Pueblo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pueblo?
okay.
So it was 100, 90
Yeah,
some degrees.
well,
something
it's gonna
there.
be 90 around here. So like
Okay.
Garden Park, we have there's a little quarter-mile trail, Marsh Quarry Trail, that you can walk, and it's where the bone wars were back in the day when they were digging up dinosaur bones. And,
That we would
and
be
the
interested
different
in.
museums were arguing over trying to see who could get the most bones, but they were just shipping them out and not necessarily keeping track of them.
Okay.
But those are on display also at the Road March Museum.
So just like the visitor center, you can pick up some free brochures and they can help you find information for free camping. And then of course you've got all like your game books like for turkey, fishing, game, and who? So yeah, lots of help. And I got a stack. Oh, I might have that a little too close up. I've got a stack of coloring books and all kinds of information for Dana's children when they come and meet up with us. So we're going to go over and find Aja and Seth and get on our way.
This.
You're getting a little holy there, mister. You a little holier than now?
I know, I put my foot in it, and when I pulled it up, it grabbed it and just shredded it.
Well, you guys thought you needed to worry about the red shirt. Look at that. Now you got to worry about him being holy.
Why don't we just cut them off right now so I don't go down there and I don't have to change them? You could just eyeball around it and cut it.
Those are too short to wear.
Not right there.
Yeah, that's too short for a boy.
I'm a man. I can wear them like this. My dad did.
All right, you guys, you want to hear our very first argument on YouTube?
It's not our argument.
This is what Scott's trying to get. I'm not letting him out of the camper. No, those.
Swimming.
You have swim trunks.
Yeah, but these are cool. There's nothing wrong with this. Right?
You're not wearing them out.
I'm wearing them.
You guys, there are just some things I put my foot down about, and that is one of them. You're not wearing those out.
Oh, yes, I am. Look at that. Pretty damn close. Hey.
Oh, no. You cannot go out
Don't be
there.
jealous because I got legs, too.
Oh. We got it. We were trying to leave so fast today. We didn't even
Careful.
get the bed.
Careful now.
Nope. Now your underwear, your green underwear are hanging out. Scotty actually does dress with his shirts matching his underwear. I want you guys to know.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Can't wear them now.
Uh-huh.
Here. Pull it that way.
No, don't pull on it. I know what you do. Stay away from me. God dang it. Damn it. I'm going to cut your damn finger off. There we go.
I'm going to wet my pants. You are not going out.
Uh-huh.
No, you're not.
Oh, honey, look.
Nope. Nope.
I can look.
You can look, but you are not going out there.
Perfect.
You are not going out there looking like that.
Why?
Because there's no way. You're not going out there looking like that. First off, you have chicken legs.
I need to get sun on them.
Well, no, you're not wearing those.
I am.
I am going to put my foot down. Seriously. There are some things in a marriage that just are not going to happen. That is one of them. Oh, goodness.
Did you
No,
ruin my damn pants?
It's all the way up in the middle. You can't. You're not. You can't.
45-degree angle. No, we can see anything. It's not bad. I'm getting hot. I'm ready to go swimming.
I'm not going with you down there.
Okay, see ya. I'm out of here.
You got big long strings hanging down. Do you all see what I have to put up with? Oh, where's Aja? She needs to save me. She needs to help me tell you that you cannot go out looking like that.
Here's what I do. I'm like this. I don't look.
You got these on. You are a work of art here.
All good.
Are you mad?
No, I'm not mad. I should just.
Did you lose?
I may have lost this fight, but I've not lost the battle. I believe you, kiddo. You look cold. I believe you 100%. I guess after going a few times, it's not so bad.
Yeah.
Woo! Ah, not too bad. Woo!
It's pretty shallow right there. Are you having? I have such a big bag. I can put one down. I'll come back up and get it. Okay, what is it like?
Day at the beach,
Yeah.
but at the river.
Right.
Oh, it's awesome.
So we were walking back. We just came up right here by this little bench, and I was walking, and I noticed something. This rock is upside down, but I noticed there's some yellow on it. Look at that. Rejoice. Hey, how fun is that?
We haven't seen one of those in a long time.
So my glasses. So what the deal is that you pick them up and you can either keep them, and sometimes if you turn them over, like there's something written on here, but can't really read it anymore. But the idea behind it is that you can either take them home and collect them, and then sometimes you go on Facebook or Instagram and say where you got it, or you can re-hide them, and you try to put them in put them somewhere that people can, find them again. So how about I'll come back up there and get that. I'm not going to put it down there because they mow this area, but how about if I just put it right here, right where somebody might see it, and I'll put it up like that behind the grass. So there, I think that's pretty well hidden, but still enough so people can see it. So very cool. Well, put that back for somebody else to find it. Now I gotta go get back and get my bag.
Yeah.
All right, Aja's over here, got her generator going. And like we said, we're gonna go make dinner, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow.